Whatever you look for on the internet, there is a high probability that the first result you find in the search engine is from Wikipedia. It has literally everything you can think of. But who writes all these texts? And can you have confidence in everything that is written there? Stay to watch and you will understand. Wikipedia started in January 2001 and represents a free multilingual electronic encyclopedia. It is an organization with an ideal goal, which would say that its creators do not earn money from it. The project is based on donations, with which the needs of the site are met, and the rest of the profit is in the bank fund. The articles themselves are written by volunteers. In practice, everyone can write or edit articles in Wikipedia, but it is necessary to keep 5 basic pillars. They say, for example, that the content in Wikipedia is free and everyone can use it, edit and distribute. That Wikipedia itself is an encyclopedia, not a dictionary, a news site or a place for advertising, and that the materials should be written from a neutral point of view. If you want to write in Wikipedia, you need to register on the site and show that you can be trusted by making useful edits to already existing articles. In Bulgaria, we have a community of very talented Wikipedians and you can easily join their families. It should be noted, however, that Wikipedia does not have a page for everything. For example, you decide to make a Wikipedia page for yourself and your achievements. Gosho Kolivarev-Donev was born on August 21, 2007 in the village of Musachevo until the 4th grade. He finished with a full distinction, after which in the 5th grade his success fell to 5.11 due to poor grades in geography. This page, however, will be deleted because it is not of social importance and because you are not a public person. Look, if Gosho Kolivarev-Donev had won the Nobel Peace Prize, then you would certainly have your own page. Yes, if you want to add an article to Wikipedia, you have to make sure that it meets the criteria for significance. And keep in mind that you need to quote as many reliable sources as possible. You can't just say that you know this information and that's it. You need proof. Even with sources and evidence, however, Wikipedia is not an absolutely reliable source and this is not a secret. Even the site itself has a separate page that states that Wikipedia is not a reliable source. It explains that the pages on the site can be edited by anyone at any time, that they can become the object of vandalism, that some details can be wrong, so do not count on Wikipedia as the last resort. Still, there is no doubt that in Wikipedia you can find a lot of information. To date, it has over 6 million articles, and the person with the most written texts is editor Stephen Pruitt with over 35,000 articles. He has also made over 2 million additions on the site. This is what we call dedication. Among the most popular articles on the site are the pages for America and for Presidents Donald Trump and Barack Obama. The page with the most popular event is this one for World War II, and the most popular musician is this one for Michael Jackson. In Wikipedia there is also a bunch of curious materials. In the section for unusual facts, you can read more about events such as the flooding in London in 1814, or look at the list of inventors killed by their own creations, or see the list of animals with fake diplomas, or the list of fictitious ducks, whatever that means. Seriously, Wikipedia has a bunch of these weird and funny pages. There's even a list of really stupid ideas for articles that you really shouldn't create. Take a look at it before you create an article there and tell me it's only in English. Wikipedia also has its own little hidden game. In it, the player starts a randomly selected article and has to get to a specific other article on the site. For this purpose, you can only use links or links in the articles without the search option. The goal is to reach the given article with as few clicks as possible and for as short a time as possible. For example, you load a randomly selected article for a small town in Germany and you only need to reach a Spanish artist with clicks. If you ask me, this is probably the easiest way to learn something new every day. And what do you most often go to Wikipedia for? And what topic do you want to create a page on? Tell me in the comments.